Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Safari fraudulent website warning on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Safari. Then we scroll down to the Privacy and Security section and tap on Fraudulent Website Warning. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or tap on it to turn it on. Once this is on, then when you are visiting any website that deems to be fraudulent, the Safari web browser will give you a warning message. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.